Hi! Digital products are one of the most powerful ways to build long-term income online. These include ebooks, planners, workbooks, guides, templates, trackers, and checklists. You create them once and sell them repeatedly without extra production costs. You don't need to be an expert author, you just need to solve a clear problem. For example, a creator could make a content planning guide, a coach could design a goal-setting workbook, a wellness brand could offer habit trackers. The process is simple. First, organize your information. Then, design it in Canva. Export it as a PDF. Finally, sell it through your website or digital marketplaces. You can also increase your earnings by bundling multiple products together into one premium package. Promote your products through social media, email lists, and behind-the-scenes content so people see the value you're offering.